I'm Beck, and speaking Cymraeg has opened doors for me in my career working within the creative sector. I use the Welsh language every day in my role, whether that's creating video content, social media content, websites in Welsh and English. We're able to meet the needs of our clients in both languages. Oes unrhyw syniadau ydych chi gyda y fath o pethau dylen ni ffilmo gyda myfyrwyr? Beth am dawnsio?
Ni'n licio bach o dawnsio.
Fi wedi ffindo fod yna lot o bobl ifanc, felly yn teimlo bach yn nerfus i siarad Cymraeg. Y peth pwysicach yw bod chi'n defnyddio fe. Sdim rhaid i chi fod yn rhugl a defnyddio Cymraeg gywir pob tro. If we're recruiting for someone to join our team, it's hugely beneficial if someone has an understanding of the Welsh language. Even saying a simple shwmai or sut wyt ti, please put forward that you do have an understanding, because you'll be surprised how many doors that opens for you.